Hello paper lovers, welcome bij een new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here with another process video and a lot of gorgeous Christmas goodies from the Bramble Fox. And I love the stencils, so I decided to make a Christmas page. And I love the Fox cut stencils from the Bramble Fox. And here I choose for the Fox cut 25 stencil, the holy branches from the Bramble Fox. So I decided to blend a wreath on my page, and I use two colors of Distress Oxide. The first color that I use is Mauve Lawn. It's a bright green color, and I'm going around the circle and blend my Distress Oxide on my page with my blending tool. And the second color that I use for my branches is the Rustic Wilderness from the Distress Oxides as well. And so my second layer that I make is with the Rustic Wilderness. So here I apply the darker color Rustic Wilderness on top of the light green Mauve Lawn, and look how these colors blend with each other. It's so gorgeous, and I love the result of the stencil. And I'm very happy that I choose to make a wreath with this stencil. And now it's time to apply the red berries between the holy branches. And I used the red color Distress Oxide Candied Apple for the red berries. On the stencil there are some branches as well, some twigs, and I use the brown color Distress Oxides walnut stain for the twigs between the holy branches, and it looks so festive and Christmas. It just calls Christmas on my page. And first I didn't want to make a whole wreath, but just a wreath in half. But at the end of this video I decided to make a completely round wreath on my page. So instead of the photo of my daughter, I use a Christmas picture from my son, and I already got some design papers to size from the beautiful Christmas collection Hey Santa from Create Paper. And I distressed the edges with my distress etcher and used some adhesive tape and 3D foam and put all the beautiful design papers behind the photo. And I placed my photo inside of the wreath, and the beautiful red perspectives title Warm and Cozy are such a beautiful elegant font and looks so festive that I think it's a perfect title for this layout. And here I searching for the right embellishments, the white perspective clip magic. I applied on top of my picture, and here some snowflake stickers, some black and white snowflake stickers. I placed them randomly on my page, and here I made a cluster from different die cuts, word strips, and stickers from the Hey Santa collection from Create Paper, and made a cluster on the left side of my picture. I use glossy accents for my perspectives, so my perspectives are perspectives stay perfect in place with glossy accents, and white perspectives clip magic I placed on top of my picture from my son. And now it's time to make some mixed media splitters, some distress oxide splitters on my layout. And I splatter around with the mode lawn distress oxide color and some white acrylic ink that I mixed with a little bit of water and made some white snow look-alike splatters on my page. Here I decided to cut a stroke to size from the beautiful design papers from Hey Santa from Create Paper, and I put it behind my white piece of cardstock, and I ruffled the edges of the side of the white cardstock so you can see a little bit of the design paper. And I love the effect that you see a little bit of the design paper on the side of my page. So I thought I was ready, my layout was ready, but I decided to make a full wreath on my layout and not a half. So here I remove my photo and my perspectives from my layout, and again I use the stencil from the Bramble Fox, the Fox got a 25 stencil, and I make my wreath complete. And I use the same distress oxide colors, the colored mode lawn and rustic wilderness. And for the berries, of course, the red distress oxide color candied apple, and for the branches the walnut stain. So again, I place my photo in place on my layout, and the perspectives, I glue my perspectives again on my page by using some glossy accents. And sometimes you think you have something in your head, and when you are busy decorating your page, you decide to want something else, and that is not a problem because it's a creative process in your head. And at the end, um, I'm happy with the result, and I'm happy that I made a full wreath on my page with this gorgeous stencil from the Bramble Fox. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope that I gave you some great ideas how to use this beautiful stencil from Bramble Fox. And of course, I hope to see you next time on YouTube. And for now, wish you a beautiful and crafty day, friends. Bye bye.